Hello, my name is Derek, and in this lesson, we'll invite your team to Z360 and break down the three roles, owner, admin, and member, so you know exactly who can do what. But before we start inviting people, let's go through the roles so you can assign the right one from the start. So Z360 has three roles. Owner will have full access to everything. That includes all settings, billing, team management, and every feature in the platform. Owners can edit anyone's role like other owners, admins, and members. This is the highest level of access, so limit it to people you fully trust with your account. When someone is admin, they can do almost everything an owner can, except access billing. Admins can manage team members, edit roles for other admins and members, and work across the entire platform. This is the right role for managers or senior team members who need full operational access but don't need to touch billing. And then we have member, which is the most limited role. Members can only access items assigned to them and things they've created. They don't have access to account settings like team and security or billing. They only see user settings like their own personal details, notification preferences, and audio settings. This is the right role for frontline team members who work within conversations, tickets, and leads, but don't need to configure anything. Now let's try to invite someone. First, you have to go to Settings, then Team and Security. Make sure you're on the Team Members tab and click Invite New Member. A modal pops up with two fields. Enter the person's email address, then pick their role from the dropdown. Choose carefully based on what we just covered. Click Send Invitation. They'll receive an email with a link to join your organization, and once they accept and sign in, they'll appear in your team members list. You can invite multiple people, just repeat the process for each one. After sending invites, switch to the Invitations tab. This shows every pending invitation that hasn't been accepted yet. From here, you can edit the role you assigned before they accept, resend the invitation if they didn't get it, or cancel it entirely if you've changed your mind. Once someone accepts, they move from this tab over to the Team Members tab. If you need to change someone's role after they've joined, go to the Team Members tab and click Edit Role next to their name. Pick the new role and save. Keep in mind that owners can edit anyone's role. Admins can edit roles for other admins and members, but not owners. And members don't have access to this page at all. So if you need to promote someone from member to admin, or give a trusted admin full owner access, this is where you do it. That's team management. Three roles with clear boundaries, a simple invite flow, and the ability to edit roles anytime. Next up, we'll connect your business email so you can send and receive messages right from your Z360 inbox.